Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to learn how to set photo upload quality on WhatsApp. So probably you have tried to upload a status on your WhatsApp and you see that the quality is really poor and is not really detailed as you want. So you must go to your WhatsApp and now click on the three dots on the top right corner. Okay, here I'm going now into settings and there's an option in this case that says storage and data, network usage, auto download. Okay, so almost at the end I have media upload quality, choose the quality of media files to be sent, and now I have auto recommended, okay, photo upload quality. But there we have like different options. Usually it is in data saver, because if you don't have Wi-Fi activated and you're not in your home, so you're going to prefer to save some data. But if this is not your case, you can select the best quality. The auto recommended is when you are in your home, so obviously this is going to upload photos in a high quality. But when you are not in your home and you are using your data, so you're going to upload some photos in low resolution. So if you don't matter about that, just select the best quality and automatically your status or photos or pictures, whatever you are trying to upload into your WhatsApp, is going to be in the best quality.